To get a sneak peek at the performances. Suzanne Monahan, KYW News Radio.
And the preparations are well underway for the New Year's Eve fireworks shows here in Philadelphia. The fireworks have been loaded onto barges, and they'll light up the sky tomorrow night. Here's KYW's Pat Lowe.
Because the fireworks go off from barges in the Delaware, they have a large fallout range, which means they can use big shells. Between the two shows at 6 p.m. and midnight, more than 4,000 shells will send some 4 tons of explosive skyward.
You can see the river, you will see these fireworks.
Jody Milkman of the Delaware River Waterfront Corporation says the best viewing spots are those wired for sound because each show has its own soundtrack.
They are all synchronized masterfully to the pyro that you'll see in the air.
You'll be able to hear it at Wiggins Park in Camden, several spots along Penn's Landing, and at sponsor Sugar House Casino, or you can tune your radio to 1060 a.m. We'll simulcast the music. The 6 p.m. show features a tribute to composer John Williams. The midnight features Pat Lowe, KYW News Radio.
Coming this time, 9:22. Sam Clover now with traffic and transit on the 2. Sam?
Good morning, Harry. Good conditions on area roads. The roads are drying out from all the rain we had yesterday, so that's really not a problem at this point. I'll give you a flooding spot in a minute, but we do have a problem that remains in Montgomery Township. A serious accident within the hour. South on Route 309, approaching Hartman. It's up the hill from Welsh Road and below the shopping area, Montgomeryville. It's a serious accident, taking out the right lane, left lane only getting by. Just get off the horn with the fire police on the scene. It still may be another 15-20 minutes. But I do see a tow truck on the scene, a flatbed, trying to get the damaged vehicle out of the way. So that's what the backup is, coming down the hill south on 309, approaching Hartman with that accident. Get over to your left. We'll keep you posted. The other direction is all right, northbound not affected. Now, flooding remains in Lower Marion. It's Old Gulf at Mill Creek. You being directed around that. Problem here is the storm grate is all clogged up, so they're trying to unclog it. In the meantime, you have to go around the block on that one. Schuylkill Expressway heading in is fine. Weston Schuylkill was left of an accident over to the far right shoulder of the roadway at University. No delay. 95 from the northeast is moderate volume past Allegheny into Center City. So most of everything in pretty good shape. Mass transit reported delays. But another update coming up in less than 10 minutes. I'm Sam Clifford, Kentucky Traffic Center.
This is AccuWeather meteorologist Bill Dager. In the wake of yesterday's rain, drier air moving in today along a northwesterly flow will cool off as well, with temperatures dropping from a high in the mid-40s this morning into the 30s by the afternoon. We'll see the sky become partly sunny as well. Tonight, partly cloudy, low 23. Brisk and chilly day tomorrow with clouds and sun 39. New Year's Day looks dry, clouds and sun a high of 33. We'll have to keep an eye on a potential for a winter storm Thursday with a chance of snow and rain depending on the track of low pressure, a high around 38. Behind that system, colder on Friday, partly sunny and windy, 24. That's AccuWeather on KYW News Radio.
Right now it's 44 and cloudy here on Independence Mall. News time 9:24. Driverless cars are getting a boost. Here's Danielle Bellata with details.
Can cars drive themselves? We'll soon find out. The governor of Michigan has just signed 2 bills allowing self-driving cars to be tested on the state's roads. Governor Rick Snyder saying in his 2013 State of the State address that Michigan is the automotive capital of the world, and this will help it stay at the forefront of auto technology and keep businesses from leaving the state. One bill partly shields manufacturers from civil liability. The other says the human has to be in the driver's seat during tests. Just in case. Daniela Bellata, ABC News.
Coming this time, 9:25. And now the business report. Here's Andrew O'Day from MarketWatch.com.
If you haven't been inside one of its stores, you still probably have heard the ads. Turns out Bob's Discount Furniture has attracted the attention of more than just potential customers. Bain Capital is now buying it out. Terms of that deal not disclosed. Unless the Dow tumbles more than 4,200 points in the next 2 trading sessions and the other indexes take similar plunges, we can call 2013 a winning year for Wall Street. But it's nothing like what Japan has enjoyed. The Dow's year-to-date gain is almost 26% here, but Tokyo's Nikkei, which doesn't trade tomorrow, has advanced 57% on the year, best in more than 4 decades. As for us, it could be a quiet penultimate trading day for 2013. S&P futures down 0.5 point, NASDAQ futures down 6, Dow futures gaining all of 3. Andrew O'Day from MarketWatch.com for KYW News Radio.
Business twice every hour. Going to be news time 9:20.